The result of the voting is as follows: 4 votes in favor, 2 votes against, 9 abstentions. The draft resolution has not been adopted, having failed to obtain the required number of votes. I now give the floor to those members of the Council who wish to make statements after the vote. I give the floor to the representative of the United Kingdom.
Thank you, President. The United Kingdom's priority is restoring regional stability in the Middle East as soon as possible and preventing this crisis escalating further. Iran's ongoing reckless attacks against countries across the region threaten to expand the conflict. That's why the UK voted in favour of the resolution tabled by Bahrain, condemning Iran's attacks against the territories of its neighbours. That text was grounded in the facts and backed by the region, responding directly to the needs of our partners in the Gulf and Jordan. It focused squarely on protecting civilians and restoring regional stability, and we're pleased that this Council was able to send a clear condemnation of Iran's reckless attacks by adopting that resolution. By contrast, this Russian resolution does nothing to address the concerns of those in the region who have faced unprovoked and unjustifiable attacks. And it is impossible to overlook the hypocrisy of Russia presenting itself here as a guardian of international peace and security. It continues to reject Ukraine's proposal for a ceasefire. It attacks Ukraine's civilian infrastructure night after night. With the very same Iranian-designed Shahed drones that are now striking targets across the Middle East and beyond. In return for Iran's support, Russia has provided Iran with advanced military capabilities, increasing the threat that Iran poses to the region. We should be in no doubt where Russia stands in this conflict. So Russia's resolution would have only served to distract this Council from the serious work required to end the conflict. That is why the UK did not support the resolution. Our collective priority must be to secure stability in the region and the protection of civilian life. That's what the UK government has been focusing on and will continue to do alongside our allies, including in this Council. I thank you.
I thank the representative of the United Kingdom for the statement. I give the floor to the representative of France.
Merci, Monsieur le Président. Monsieur le Président, la France n'a pas soutenu le projet de résolution présenté par la Russie sur la situation au Moyen-Orient. Je l'ai dit tout à l'heure en expliquant notre vote sur le projet de résolution déposé par Bahreïn et adopté à une très forte majorité. La France est profondément préoccupée par la prolongation de la guerre au Moyen-Orient. Nous partageons la conviction exprimée par de nombreux membres de ce Conseil que l'escalade militaire n'est pas dans l'intérêt de la région, que le respect du droit international est la condition sine qua non de la stabilité à long terme et que les hostilités doivent cesser au plus vite. Nous appelons également à la préservation des vies civiles et au respect du droit international humanitaire.